She thought his name was Ghanchan Yadav. Mama should make you a dress.
कोरियन हम या इधर सीधा बिल्कुल नहीं करते.
Good morning, guys. So it's 8:15 a.m. and I am sitting on my study table. Youngjae is still sleeping. Gonu is still next to him right now. I just asked him to sleep a little longer because he doesn't usually get to take an afternoon nap, and I was like, and we sleep a bit late, around 12 o'clock. So yeah. Anyhow, so I'm just sitting at my study table. I thought I'll just show you my bit of my morning routine. So I start my day with a cup of water, warm water, which I'm about to finish, and then I move on to my coffee. I also write my routine, like including meal plan and stuff for the day over here, my diary. And guys, this is a paper. So I have a new help right now, and she can read and write, and she was very curious about Youngjae's name and spelling, and I think initially when she came she thought his name was Ghanchan Yadav. So she wrote his name and she's like, is this his name? I was like, no beta, it's not Ghanchan. This is my vision board, and I had put it up where I shot the last vlog, but then I thought there was too much content in that, so I thought I'll just put it in this video over here. And basically these are just photos. Most of them are from Korea. This is Gonu and Youngjae, and this is again both of them, and this is me with Youngjae and my best friend with her baby. And this is over here because this is the fittest I was, and yeah, just this is the way that I want to look in 2021 also. And of course these are my visions, so this is what I want this is what I want to do again in 2021. So this is what it is here, and these are all images from photos from Korea. The one on top is from a trip to Singapore. Yeah, I also wanted to mention that the weather is so bad, guys. I mean, it's been raining since past couple of days, and it's not that cold, but of course it's not summers, and no one likes wet winters, but no choice. Although yesterday I took Youngjae down, and there's one person I know who knows how to have fun irrespective of what the weather is, and that is Youngjae. And I've just like put his video from yesterday over here, what he did yesterday. There were puddles all over the society, and he jumped on them like crazy. Like, I think this is the second time I've seen him have so much fun with puddles. So yeah, I mean, you've seen him at my parents' place. He's so fond of water and mud and all of these things, but yesterday was the most fun. And
What happened? What happened? Why your mood is not good today in the morning? Where?
I'm doing my Blogilates arm workout over here, and as you can see, Youngjae's got a great hang of my workout, or me working out, and he remains really close to me during this whole time, just playing around and having fun.
Hi.
But today Gonu was supposed to leave early for office, so we got really busy doing something or the other. And apart from the workout, I couldn't shoot anything else because I was also just busy with him. And now we are eating lunch. For lunch we have curry chawal, one of Youngjae's favorites. Say daddy. He's like, where are you? We just came down and daddy came. Guys, we came on an impromptu drive to Saibaham. Gonu just came back from office. And Youngjae got inside the car, and at that point of time, we decided to just go on a drive.
머리 어디 갔어요? 하지 마세요.
And I've collected our cheesecakes and brownies and stuff from Bichu.
Play with me. Like that day I was trying to make him study, he was not studying with me.
아래? Light is gone. Oh, Young, it's okay. Light is coming. Just a second. General is going to come up soon. Oh, that is right here. Oh, don't. Your turn. Switch on the light.
He's trying to switch on the light. When the light is already on. And he knows. Look at him. He doesn't like the dark.
He switch on the fan eventually. Can you see your face? Can you see your face? What you have done to you? This is what you have done, Youngjae. Can you see what you have done?
बड़े आराम से आके आ जाता है कि make me wear a dress. हाँ, Mama should make you wear a dress. Wait, we will make this dress. Okay. Wait, Mama will make it.
Look at your face, Youngjae. What have you done?
Dress. Don't you want to wear your dress? You don't have that waistline only. So we are just going to tighten like this and looks nice. Wait, he's. Let's see your dress. Oh, cutie. Cutie.
Where are you going?
You're happy?
I cannot see you. There's no light here. Can I open this one a little? There you are. There you are.
There we are.
There you are.
There we are.
There you are.
We were coming back, we were having this discussion over his coat, which was kind of funny, but we forgot to shoot that, so we thought we'll do it later today in the evening or whenever we get time. And yeah, sorry about my hair that keep popping
Same
from
here.
the sides because of.
Same here. Now mine becomes a porcupine.
For you, there is no reason why your hair are like this. My hair are like this because they're all baby hair growing out after having Youngjae, which are still growing.
By the way, just one thing I want to mention since we are talking about hairstyles. It was very difficult for me to find the right, the hair designer here. So initially,
Hairstylist.
stylist, whatever it calls. Well, we call designer also.
Hairstylist.
कोरिया में hair designer बोलता है.
नहीं, Korea में तो there is
Designer भी बोलता है.
Korea में there is a Korean word for it.
तो designer भी बोलता है.
Korean word.
हाँ तो बोलता है.
नहीं,
Anyway,
you can't just
anyway,
simply translate it.
I'm just saying whatever I know, right?
Just learn what I'm teaching.
तो क्या है? So it was very difficult for me to find out. And so I had a few incidents like the किसने ऐसे इधर सीधा cut ली. Korean हम इधर सीधा बिल्कुल नहीं करते. Okay, we don't cut hair straight.
Which basically means that this
The
part
side
of his hair,
But,
this can never be straight like this. There is it's
Mine
slightly
is,
like
I don't
this.
have much, but usually many Korean has a little down till here. So they always maintain like a style way, not the hair cutting straight and then the backside of the cutting सीधा ऐसे हमारा होता नहीं है. So इधर चलते हैं मेरा बाल भी.
And then Gonu doesn't know how to explain, which I think we've covered in one of our vlogs earlier. That
Really?
we have what I covered is that
in Korea you don't really have to
That's cool.
explain
He's
to
all
the
around. That's cool.
hair stylist how you want them to. You just tell them that I want it short and little bit, but you don't really have to explain. यहाँ पे in normal salons you really have to explain to them what kind of hairstyle you want, and I know that, like I've also gone through it when I cut my hair short last time. Yeah.
Eventually.
And Gonu doesn't know how to explain to them कि क्या चाहिए.
No, एक्चुअली क्या है when in जेन्यू के टाइम पे जेन्यू के टाइम पे भी बहुत मुश्किल था मुझे बारी खतना ढूंढने के लिए. So in Purias में गई, still it was very difficult to explain, but it was manageable. Like 100% not okay, satisfied, manageable. So eventually मैंने क्या किया है in जेन्यू के अंदर एक KC करके एक छोटा complex है, small, there is small complex in called KC. So there's one small barber shop. So there I was giving 15 rupees for one haircut, but luckily turned out to be okay. He was cutting generally only, but turned out to be like a little military style. But I could take it. So since I was going there only, not the Purias for 500 rupees में उधर 15 रुपए में मैंने बाल काट लिया था. But now I found one person here. He's also doing the similar only, but still I'm okay. In this, I'm able to cut here.
Who's actually my hairstylist. But I understand the difference. Like last time when I got my haircut, I just want to repeat it. I've already mentioned it earlier, but last time when I got a haircut in Korea and I went really short from my long hair. It's been a long time. Like in high school, I had that short hair. And when I told her to cut my hair short, she very immediately did it, and the length was little longer, and she said, do you want me to go shorter? And I asked her, what do you think? And she said, I think you should go shorter. And she cut it a little more short and actually looked better. So she knew exactly what is going to look good on my face.
Yeah, so difference what I'm saying is actually
here they're always doubtful. Like they'll want your suggestion. Like
they'll be keep asking like अच्छा कितना काटना है, कितना छोटा लंबा करना है, इधर कितना काटना है, पीछे कैसे करना है.
They can't make their own decision about it.
कोरिया में मैंने क्या बोलता है, simple, really one simple word. आप बता दो आप कैसे काटना है, मेरे लिए अच्छा देखने में अच्छा होगा. So they just cut. They just say they'll cut, and if I'm okay, happy. If I'm not happy, they'll suggest differently.
Which is probably not true for all the hairstylists here. I know there are some like hidden ones that we don't know, and some fancy ones who are probably very good. But
many are
we
like
don't know.
this. Korea तो मेरा experience के हिसाब से तो 80-90% ठीक है.
Guys, for reference, I'm going to put Ghonu's picture from our reception because when he came for our wedding. At that or the day he landed, let me put one of those photographs and you'll see at that point of time his hairstyle was so different.
Wow, it just came to my head. So whenever I went to Korea to cut my hair, I'm not saying hair is bad or something, but the first reaction from this Korean hairstylist to the ladies, they're like, where did you get this haircut from? First, every time whenever I came from India to Korea, this is their first reaction every time.
Anyway, so I'm going to put up his photograph because in that picture, he's got his hair permed, he had to grow his hair long and then get them permed and stuff like that. And he made a lot of effort on his hair. And if he was living in Korea, that would be his hairstyle. But unfortunately, this is what it is.
No, but
this is what it is.
I try, because actually, my hair is something like very weak condition, so it doesn't stay in the auditor, I don't know. It doesn't hold like this. So
it's very soft.
Eventually, they suggest me only like okay, why don't you do some palming? Maybe it might help. So I try, but
no, the perm did look good on you, but then you have to get it done every time. It's not like
it's like almost like you can say monthly basis, and you have to maintain that much length of the hair also.
Yeah.
So yeah, every time morning, Dona and the hair dry karna. This is better.
Really? Youngjae doesn't have that kind of hair.
Youngjae's good hairstyle.
I don't know what is Youngjae's hairstyle, but it's not too... His hair are not too silky and soft. His hair are like mine actually. Although the color is lighter than mine and Ghonu's. But as you can see, this part is already like a curl. He's getting slight curls actually.
And mommy's doing her own painting in this time, which is now 10:25. Say good night. Say good night. Good night. Good night.